How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. This is going to be a very unique type of video. It's not your ordinary type of video where I do a analysis on a stock. What I am going to do is discuss my day trading strategy. I've been really researching it and trying to figure out, I love trend reversals. So how do we do it on the momentum type of trades, and how do we get in and out with a very clear plan? So I recently started my service, and if you guys don't know what's on my chart and you see all these lines here, you definitely have to join the premium Discord. There's a day trading channel that is $12 a month, and you get access to my swings and my whole system education. And that's why I don't mind releasing this on YouTube, because if you don't have access, then you're not going to have the settings here. But I just want to share it because I know a lot of people are going to like it, and I'm going to go over one of the trades I did on MLGO, and I want to just kind of discuss my analysis and the revisions I want to do and all that. So, MLGO, as we all know, had a massive run. I'm going to show you the data over here. Had a massive run. It went all the way to 625, on 821. And I bet a lot of bulls were just like really pumped about this. I was thinking about shorting it all up in here, but there was no shares available to short. I will do shorting, and I will short these pennies, and I also buy these pennies. But if there's no short shares to short, then I just don't short it, right? And there's a site on Schwab where you can find that, as that's the broker I use. But here's what I saw here. The market came out, and this is 1 minute candles. I'm going to use 1 minute and 5 minute, and occasionally the 1 hour. As you can see, it's just on a tear of going down. I got a little excited, right, when I saw this bottom band touch on the 1 minute chart. But oftentimes what this signals is just a false, just a little rally, and then it resumes the downtrend. So I was really looking for this target up in here, this EMA 20. And oftentimes you're like, well, how do you know it's going to hit that? Well, if you record the data of the EMA 20 on a 1 minute time frame, it gets hit rather fast. This one was a slower moving one, and I'll show you plenty of other stocks. So 9:31, and then I was suspecting around 10 o'clock, which is way down here, and this is where I messed up. I will show you quite clearly. 10 o'clock is down here, and we just weren't hitting the bottom band at that time. This is where the trade should have been taken here. And then if you correlate it to the 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the 5 minute, and this was just a beautiful trade, and I love to look at the 5 minute. And as you can see, we ignored all the false signals, but you got to look at the 1 minute too. I'm telling you, you got to look at the 1 minute, because I've seen 5 minutes, give false signals. As long as they both coincide, you got the 1 minute at the bottom, the 5 minute at the bottom, then there's going to be a bull action move. And look what this did. It went all the way. The 5 minute has to hit the 20, which it did, and then it kept on going. And it was just a beautiful trade for all the ones that hold on. Some of the members did hold on. Unfortunately, I did take a stop loss. But that's the strategy. There is going to be trades, that are just really brutal, and it's all about being patient, and that's the main thing, right? So, like I said, anything that don't touch the EMA 20 in 30 minutes on a 1 minute time frame is really, really long. And so, like when it was 10 o'clock, right down in this candle here, which is way over here, as you can see, if you hover over your candles, you'll see 10 o'clock was this candle here. And 6:18, 10 o'clock. But we're not ever taking it at the EMA 5. We have to have a clear bottom band touch, and it has to penetrate it, and that was right there. So yeah, congrats on everyone that day traded MLGO. I bet not a lot of people expected, a rally from all the way from $6 just to go all the way back down to 278. And I'm sure a lot of people got burned. But with this system, you can really catch the bounces. And even right in here, 833 to 8, it was like 383 we got it to 397. I was hesitant on taking some gains, and I was really hoping for that break of 4, but yeah, I should have definitely take it. Some of the trades I did take, I think it was let me see, ASNS. I did take this one for a short, and I'll show you. This one wasn't available for a lot of shorts, but I did find some way back on this. So basically what happened is, same scenario, we had this big move up here, And we didn't hit the EMA 20 for quite some time. So I'd be looking to take a short. And guess what happened? We touched the EMA 20 here, and guess what? We had the touch here. So we calculate the data 4:30 to 5:06 p.m. So that was that 30-minute time frame. And then if you look at the 5-minute, where did I take that trade? It was right up in here was the 1 minute. As you can see, we are coinciding with the 5-minute up in here, so we knew this was going to be super rapidly down. So that's why I do like to look at the 1 minute and the 5-minute. I change them all the time. And so if I go back to the 1 minute, that's where you're going to get the most precise entry, right? So once I saw this hitting going up through this area, I decided to scale in some here and try to go do a different rally. But I knew this was scaling out, and if it just did another touch up in here, I like to do 2 ads. So the thing about day trading, what I like about it a lot, you don't have to have big sets of money, and you know you're going to be out at the end of the day. So for me personally, I like to do $1,000 account, and then I'm going to do this over time and just see if I can transform a small account, because I know it's possible. So $1,000 account, what I would do is put the $500 right up in this area here, and then if it went up again up in here, I'll put another 500, and then if it goes down, I make a lot of profit, right? So I did that with this 500 and made a decent size. Like, I think it was like 10% gain. So another thing I want to show you guys is this percentage change calculator. I'll put this link in the description below if you guys want to use it. So basically what I was doing with the MLGO, I had an average of 3.70, right? And it went way up to the $4 range. So, but I want to show you, if you want to know like kind of where your stop loss should be. So you want to do, me personally, I'm going to aim for 30%. It's a little aggressive, but I'm not scared to lose an extra 10%. So I'm very like, you have to give the trade just a little wiggle room, just in case it does a fake out and then it goes right up. So let's say you have an average of 370 and you put 2.80, it'll tell you, okay, this is a decrease of 24%. So right in here, you would not have got stopped out on that MLGO trade if you had 3.70. If it went to 2.60, you'll be stopped out at around 260 from 370. And that's right here, it says a decrease of 29%. So that's kind of how I look at it. I'm going to give myself a wiggle room. I want to do about 30% just in case, because I'm playing with smaller money. Like, one thing, if I was putting like 50,000 in these day trading things, like I think day trading is very risky, so we have to, respect day trading. And but you also can't be scared to lose, because it could do exactly what, MLGO did, where you had this big nasty downtrend, and then here was the trend reversal way down to here. But look at the potential you could have got here from 278 all the way up to it hit 426 right in here. Very nice massive gain there. And yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do for now on. So anybody in my premium day trading Discord, that's how I'm doing. I'm using the percentage change calculator, and I'm going to make sure we're about at a 30%. So if you have a $1,000 account, you lose $300. It's very simple. If you make 30%, you gain 300, as long as you have the 2 ads in. So yeah. So, but yeah, I'm going to be very careful on these kind of trades. VHAI, I was going to show you this for another short. It did have shares to short, as I seen it. It hit the upper band on the 1 minute very fast, and I was looking to get in and just missed it as it was too fast and it went down. If this would have did 1 more minute up in here, I would have got in. But as you can see, very nice gains from 11 cents, all the way to 8.65. But as you guys know, I always take it at the EMA 20 right in here. And but this was a very beautiful candle. I mean, look at that, 11% down, 5%, very nice candle there. So yeah, but as you guys see though, we're always looking for this to have time distance, the EMA 20. We're always targeting the EMA 20 on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, because the 1 minute and the 5 minute will always hit it very fast. As you can see, the 5 minute was coinciding with the 1 minute, giving it a short signal. So we would short the stock, and we have the 1 minute and the 5 minute hit right here at the EMA 20. And as you notice, a lot of the times you will get a bounce from that EMA 20. And as you can see, the 5 minute starts getting that bounce. So right here was a very good opportunity to for buyers to get in after the shorts had their fun, readjust the upper bands for a nice move up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm using 1 minute and 5 minute, looking for time distance on the 1 minute, making sure that the 5 minute is hitting the upper band or it's hitting the lower band, with the 1 minute coinciding to give us that confirmation of precise entry. Because the 1 minute is going to give you the most precise entry, but you got to realize the 1 minute can oftentimes give you a false signal. So we want to keep that in mind. SBFM was another one that I looked to short. As you can see, this was a very nice one because we didn't have a EMA 20 all the way. I'll count this one because that's close enough. We didn't have the EMA 20 till right in here. If you guys don't know what EMA 20 is, it's your exponential moving averages. I didn't talk a lot about it, but you have to join this premium Discord, get the education. I'll show you real quickly what it looks like. We have an education videos right in here. You can't really see all that. But right in here, if you join the premium Discord, you'll see like we have a whole lot of education, and you can see the server shop. This is what you need to join, is the server shop here. So when you join, you can have the two choices. Like, do you want the day trade and swing trading? It's only $12 a month. Or do you want the swing trading, which is only $6? It just depends on your personality. I recommend the $12 because you're going to get, swing trading can be kind of boring. And if you just want to play small amounts to get your confidence, because over time this is going to win more often than lose. So right in here we have the EMA 20 here, and then we shoot all the way up and have a retouch right in here. So as you can see, this was a nice, beautiful shorting opportunity, and then it comes back down and then goes back up. This was not a shorting because it did not hit the upper band. So that was a nice one there too. And that's about it. I really just wanted to go over too on where I'm looking for these stocks on Webull. I really do like to look for the top gainers. You can find that on any scanner, right? Top gainers. And if you go to the top gainers, like this is CMTL, and you will see let me see the 1 minute here. Yeah, you can see right in here how it was just a beautiful short based on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. As let me go right in here. So as you can see, you see how the 5 minute was correlating and then the 1 minute was? Well, we knew the 5 minute had to hit the EMA 20, and so we had this nice little pullback right in here. ASNS, we did short this one. It did not give us a buy on the 5 minute, so we didn't take that. NLSP was very close to giving us a buy right in here. But yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to go over quick on how I do this strategy. I wanted to redo a lot of things and just kind of show you guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, there's a link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And what you get is you're gonna get my let me show you guys some of this. Let's move this here. I might keep this on the right side. I'm trying to do a little update on my videos here. So what you get is right in here, if you hit server shop, if you click the link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Everyone in green is a subscriber, and please read how to subscribe, avoid scammers and all that. But all you have to do, if you're on your phone or computer, just hit server shop up here, and then you can see the two memberships of swing trading or day trading, $12 a month or $6 a month. If you do the day trading, you get swing trading with it, and that's why it's 12. And if you do it on your phone, it will charge you an iOS fee, so I do recommend it if you do it on your computer. But yeah, I just want to give you guys that. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to guys give you just analysis on how we're doing this. We're looking for, first off, the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Just to recap, we want to make sure there's time distance. Anything that doesn't touch the EMA 20 on a 1 minute time frame in 30 minutes is really long. So as you can see right in here, Rally, which is the ticker here, did not touch the 30 minutes in some time, and we had this coordination with this upper band here. And what happens is shorts tend to take control for that reversion to the mean, but unfortunately they just keep taking it down. So we want to play the sides, where it's overextended to one side or the other. That's all we're doing. Overextensions, reversions to the mean. Because 9 times out of 10, it should work as long as we're patient and all that. And here's the Oh, here's the 1 minute. I showed you the 5 minute. As you can see, look at the 1 minute, giving you very precise entries right in here and here, coordinated fast for an attack right in this area. But yeah, yeah, that's about it. And if you guys want to join the day trading section, there's a link down below. It's very easy to join. 12 bucks a month. You won't miss out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. This is my day trading strategy to keep me active during the day. Swing trading I usually take at the end of the day. It's a very good strategy too, but I'm really liking this strategy because you can use smaller amounts of money. I recommend $1,000 if you want to do it with me and try to see how far we can grow 1K and just use house money, as we keep growing. So hope to see you guys in the next video. Hope to see you in the premium Discord, and peace out.